Hello Year 2, this is Activity A and the learning objectives for today are to be able to partition a 3-digit number and also to recognise the value of digits in a 3-digit number. Right, so we're going to start by looking at the 3-digit number 135. You can see I've drawn a box and the headings are hundreds, tens and then ones. So there is 100. So we put a 1 in the hundreds column, there is a 3 in the tens column, so the 3 goes there, and then finally the 5 goes in the ones column. Now underneath you'll see what these look like when they're partitioned. Remember, partitioning is when you break up a number into hundreds, tens and ones. So we have 100 plus 30 plus 5 will give us that 135. Below you can see that I've shown them pictorially in different ways. So you've got the place value cards, so 130 and 5 would make 135. Underneath we sometimes show numbers using place value counters. So you can see here we've got 100, 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. So here's a couple of other ways to show 135. You could use the deans. So you've got the 10 by 10 dean, which is obviously representing 100 because 10 times 10 is 100. Then we've got 3 tens and then you can see the 5 ones. You can also represent it using money, because £1, remember, is the same as 100 pence. And then you've got 3 10p's, 10, 20, 30, and then we've got 5 1pennies, which makes the 5. Here you can see 135 being shown on a part whole pictorial image. So again, 135 is divided up into 100, 30 and 5. Here you can see 135 being represented on a abacus. So there is 100, so 1 circle on the hundreds. There are 3 tens, so there are 3 circles on the tens, and there are 5 ones, so you can see 5 circles on the one. So what number is represented here? Think about how many hundreds, how many tens, and how many ones. Pause it. The answer's on the next slide. Hopefully you were able to count that there were 4 hundreds, there were 5 tens, and there were 6 ones. So that makes 456. So what number is represented here with the place value counters? Again, how many hundreds, how many tens, how many ones, then you add those together. Good luck, you can pause it if you need time to think. So you can see there is 1 100, there is 1 10, but there are 2 ones. So hopefully you will see that that makes 112. Well done. So now we have place value cards. Look carefully and write down what number this represents. Again, pause it if you need some time. So you can see we have 300, we have 60, and we have 4. So that's 3 100s, 6 tens, and 4 ones. If we put that together, it's 364. Now you can complete the sheet.